In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Canva presentation slides as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To do this, I'll quickly go over to my design here on the home page and go to the design I want to save as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. My presentation is now opened in the editor. And to save this as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to go over here where it says share, and I'll click on download, and I'll come to this file type. You see here where it says file type here. I'm going to click on this drop down, and I will choose Microsoft PowerPoint document. Let's select that, and you can decide which of the pages of your presentation you want to share or you want to download everything. I'll leave these settings as is, and let's click on done. Once you have that settings okay, you're going to click on download to download your presentation. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Do have a good one.